Hey there, explorers. Imagine this. You're standing on a planet that's zooming through space at 67,000 miles per hour, surrounded by invisible shields protecting you from deadly solar winds, and under your feet is a core hotter than the surface of the sun. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's all real, because that's our incredible planet, Earth. Today, we're diving into 10 mind-blowing facts about Earth that'll make you see our home in a whole new light. Stick around because number 8 might just make you question everything you thought you knew about time. Let's get started. Fact 1, first up. Did you know Earth is the only planet in the solar system with liquid water on its surface? Around 71% of Earth is covered in water, which is why it's often called the blue planet. That's over 326 million trillion gallons of water. Without this liquid water, life as we know it couldn't exist. And what's even cooler, scientists believe water has been here for billions of years, possibly carried by icy comets that crashed into Earth during its early days. Fact 2. Beneath the crust we walk on lies Earth's core, a fiery sphere of iron and nickel. This core is estimated to be around 5,500 degrees Celsius, 9,932 degrees Fahrenheit, just as hot as the surface of the sun. This heat comes from leftover energy from Earth's formation, radioactive decay, and pressure. The core plays a crucial role in creating Earth's magnetic field, which we'll talk about in Fact 5. Fact 3. You might think Earth is a perfect round ball, but it's not. Because of its rotation, Earth is slightly squished at the poles and bulges at the equator. This shape is called an oblate spheroid. The difference isn't huge, only about 43 kilometers, but it's enough to prove that even our planet isn't perfectly symmetrical. Fact 4. Right now, as you're watching this, you're moving incredibly fast without even feeling it. Earth orbits the sun at a speed of about 67,000 miles per hour, 107,000 kilometers per hour. On top of that, it spins on its axis at about 1,000 miles per hour, 1,600 kilometers per hour. That's faster than a jet plane. And yet, gravity keeps everything, including you, firmly in place. Isn't that wild? Fact 5. Earth is like a superhero with an invisible shield. Its magnetic field is created by the motion of molten iron in the core. This magnetic field protects us from harmful solar radiation by deflecting charged particles from the sun, also known as the solar wind. Without it, Earth's atmosphere could be stripped away, just like what happened to Mars. Thanks, Earth, for keeping us safe. Fact 6. Our planet is absolutely unique when it comes to life. Earth hosts millions of species, from microscopic bacteria to towering redwood trees and blue whales. In fact, scientists discover around 15,000 new species every year. This incredible biodiversity exists because of Earth's perfect conditions. The right distance from the sun, liquid water, and a breathable atmosphere. No other planet in the solar system even comes close. Fact 7. Ever wonder why sunsets are so breathtakingly colorful? It's all thanks to Earth's atmosphere. When sunlight passes through the atmosphere, molecules scatter shorter blue and violet wavelengths, leaving behind longer wavelengths like red, orange, and pink. This effect is called Rayleigh scattering, and it's why we get those magical evening skies. Nature's light show at its finest. Fact 8. Earth is a true ancient being. It's about 4.54 billion years old. To put that into perspective, if Earth's entire history were a 24-hour clock, humans would have appeared only in the last few seconds. Isn't it amazing how much has happened in such a short time, from the rise of dinosaurs to the building of cities? Fact 9. Have you noticed we only ever see one side of the moon? That's because the moon is tidally locked to Earth. Its rotation matches its orbit around our planet, so the same side always faces us. The far side of the moon, often called the dark side, wasn't even seen until 1959 when a spacecraft flew past it. Fact 10. Even though Earth seems solid and stable, it's constantly changing. Tectonic plates shift over millions of years, creating mountains, earthquakes, and volcanoes. Rivers carve valleys, glaciers reshape landscapes, and even the climate evolves over time. Earth is alive, always growing and transforming, just like us. Wow, isn't Earth the coolest place in the universe? From its fiery core to its stunning sunsets, there's so much to admire and protect about our home planet. Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's keep exploring together. See you in the next adventure.